distinguished guests, their teacher, beloved parents, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. My first few days at school were the most challenging moment in my young life. It was not easy. The first time I sit alone listening to the lesson for hours to be with classmates I just meet and to follow instructions of what to do were the only few things I have adjusted, but it was just in the beginning. My teacher did it so well. It comes as easy and fast. Now I have learned my ABCs, counting numbers, saying songs, even learned to dance the simple dance steps of the latest dance craze, and many other things I never knew before. Thank you, Miss Gigi, for this. Together